Most runners track 20 different data points, but only use 2 to make decisions. Here are the only 5 metrics you actually need to get faster. Modern watches track everything from vertical oscillation to ground contact time balance. But ask yourself, does knowing your vertical ratio actually change how you run tomorrow? Usually, it just creates anxiety without actionable advice. Let's strip it down. If I could only keep 5 numbers to coach an athlete from 5K to marathon, these are the non-negotiables. First is weekly volume. It's the primary driver of aerobic adaptation. Consistency beats intensity. I need to see your total load over time to prevent injury. A simple progressive volume chart tells me more about your readiness than any AI-generated race predictor. Second is resting heart rate, RHR. This is your body's check engine light. We don't care about the absolute number. We care about the trend. If it spikes, your body is screaming for recovery. If your RHR jumps by more than 5 to 7 beats per minute for consecutive days, you aren't training today, you are surviving. This metric saves you from overtraining before it happens. Third is cadence. We aren't aiming for a magic 180 steps per minute for everyone, but we use this as a diagnostic tool for efficiency. It's about avoiding the danger zone of heavy overstriding. Most recreational runners sit too low. Increasing cadence by just 5% significantly reduces impact forces on the knees and hips. It's the cheapest insurance policy against joint pain. Fourth is RPE, rate of perceived exertion. Data fails when it's hot, hilly, or you're stressed. Your brain integrates heat, fatigue, and terrain better than any sensor ever will. We calibrate RPE against training zones. Most runs should be a 3 or 4 out of 10. If every easy run feels like a 6 or 7, you are hitting the gray zone plateau where progress stalls. Finally, the smart friend metric, aerobic decoupling. This measures when your heart rate drifts upward while your pace stays steady. It's the ultimate proof that your endurance is real. Data should answer questions, not just ask them. If a metric doesn't change a decision, like resting more or slowing down, hide it from your screen. Focus on these 5 and let the rest go. Track less, understand more, and run happier.